Making coffee while camping can be a game changer for your outdoor experience. Today, we'll explore 4 of the best methods to brew a delicious cup of coffee in the great outdoors. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or just need a quick caffeine fix, we've got a method for you. The pour-over method is perfect for those who love a rich, clean cup of coffee. Start by placing the filter in the cone, adding your ground coffee, and slowly pouring hot water in a circular motion. This method gives you control over the brewing process, ensuring a great tasting cup every time. It's ideal for campers who don't mind carrying a bit more gear for a superior brew. Next, we have the French press, a classic choice for camping due to its simplicity and the full-bodied flavor it provides. Add the coffee grounds to the press, pour in hot water, stir, and let it steep for about 4 minutes. Press down the plunger, and you're ready to enjoy a robust cup of coffee. This method is great for those who enjoy a stronger brew and don't mind a bit of sediment. For a quick and easy option, the tea bag method is unbeatable. It's as simple as it sounds. Use pre-packed coffee bags or make your own by placing ground coffee in a filter and tying it off. Place the bag in hot water and let it steep to your desired strength. This method requires minimal equipment and is perfect for lightweight campers who still want a decent cup of coffee without all the fuss. Lastly, we have Cowboy Coffee, the ultimate no-gear-needed method. Boil water in a pot, add coffee grounds, and let it simmer for a few minutes. Remove it from the heat, let the grounds settle, and then carefully pour the coffee into your cup. It's rustic and unrefined, but can be surprisingly satisfying when done right. This method is ideal for those who want to embrace the simplicity of the outdoors and don't mind a bit of grit. Each coffee method has its pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your camping style and preferences. Whether you prefer a smooth pour-over, a strong French press, a quick tea bag, or a rugged Cowboy Coffee, there's a method to suit every camper. So next time you're packing for an adventure, consider trying one of these techniques to elevate your camping coffee game. Happy brewing!